Hey guys, I'm back with a wig tutorial. Okay. Here I have this brand new synthetic wig, and today we have Alright. Okay, today we have Anya from Sensational, and she is a lace front edge wig, which means like it's lace front all around, just right here. Natural parting from edge to crown, and it's in the color F4 to 30. I haven't done anything to this wig. I literally just got it out of the box right now, and this is how she looks. It has like the 30s in the highlights, and the overall color is 4. So anyways, let me show you the part. Baby, you need to focus. You see right there? Cool. Anyways, let me just go ahead and pop that baby on. Right now I have like this wig cap here that it has like an elastic band on there to really secure your head on there, your wig on your head. So let me go ahead and just snap this sucker on. I'm just showing y'all how it looks without me cutting the lace. We're back to front camera because I did not like how that looked. But anyways, so as you can see, it's on. It does not look realistic. It's nice. It has a lot of potential. So we're gonna move that potential, really make it work. Okay. I really like this and how like you can really like lift it up and then not look crazy. Appreciate that. What I'm gonna do next is cut baby hairs. Or you can honestly just do this, but no hair out on this baby. So I'm gonna tie this up. Okay, so I'm all up in the camera like okay. So I'm not really a professional at baby hairs, but I'm just pulling out the like closest layer of hair, or like the thinnest. Anyways, I do not have a fine-tooth comb, so please keep your hate comments to yourself, please. And now we cut. I could add more to the sides later, but I don't really feel like doing all that. Okay. Now to lay the baby hairs down. I got here take a little bit and put on my handy dandy edge brush. I'm gonna first start by like just putting it on there. See how that goes. My edges are super thin, which is okay. I mean, no one wants some like edges. That looks weird. This is impossible to do on camera. I'm back and I finished my edges. Give you a close-up how they look. They're not my best, but you know, yeah. Anyways, to hide the lace a little bit, I would add, why is my brush over here when I need it? So I'm going to use a little bit of the powder I use on my face and just get a little brush like this and just dab it right there. Yeah. And also add that to the parting. So just add a powder. I like adding powder way more than adding concealer because I feel like it leaves a little bit more realistic finish. So, I could probably let the hair down now. I'm gonna add the powder in there. Rub it in, like so. It's all coming together, isn't it? And I like to, the curls are a little bit too perfect for me, so I like to do this. I love this wig. It actually does look realistic. Like this is cute. Like, and you can put it up like this, like so. What else can you do? I don't know. But this is pretty nice, and the good part is that that's the longest it'll take to do your wigs, and now you can just put on like a hat, a hair hat. So see how long it is. I am 5'9", so it goes all the way to my belly button. I'm probably gonna cut that, honestly, because I do not really care for super duper long hair. But yeah. Oh, let me talk about my ear. And that's it. Thanks, guys.